Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by getting the essentials working now. Plug in your headset, set the mic gain so it's not clipping, and choose push-to-talk or open mic depending on your environment. Once done, enable both system and in-game voice channels so they route correctly. Make a quick loopback or friend test to hear latency and background noise. This tells you what to tweak next. Make sure to save profiles so settings persist across sessions. Now you optimize how you sound and who can hear you. You should set the sampling rate to 44, 1K Hz or 48K Hz for consistent clarity, and enable noise suppression, echo cancellation, and automatic gain control where needed. Once enabled, test in a controlled call to hear dynamics and make incremental adjustments. Also confirm OS and app microphone permissions so voice data isn't blocked. If you use multiple apps, create a routing plan so only the intended app transmits at any time. Finish by validating settings under real conditions. Join a live match with teammates and listen for issues like intermittent dropouts or volume imbalance. You should record a short clip to inspect for sibilance, clipping, or compression artifacts, then tweak EQ or mic distance. If problems persist, restart audio services, update drivers, and verify NAT or port settings for the app. If echo or latency remains,
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.